हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द सिलेक्शन क्लासेस। तो दिस इज़ अ क्वेश्चन जो कि जेट में पूछा गया पीवाईक्यू है एंड इट इज़ अ प्रॉफिट लॉस क्वेश्चन. सो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. So there is an article which is marked X% above the cost price and a discount of 2 upon 3 X% is given on the mark price. If the profit is 4% of the cost price and X lies between this 25 and 50, we have to find the 50% of the X. So we have to calculate the value of x, then we have to half it so that we can find the 50%. So I request you must try this question before going for the solution. So hopefully आपने try किया होगा. So let us solve this question. So we have to take x% of that cost price. So I can assume any number, but it is very interesting that overall profit is 4%. So अगर मैं profit की बात करता हूँ, so it is 4% actually, and 4% is nothing, is 1 over 25. So I can say अगर मैं 25 assume करता हूँ CP को, so there is a profit of 1 unit, so SP would be actually 26, right? There is a unit 1 का फायदा होगा इसमें 25 के ऊपर. Now it is saying discount is also given. तो अगर मैं इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए 25 मान लेता हूँ या assume कर लेता हूँ 25, I can say K so that it is a ratio. So mark price it is given that it is x%. So mark price कितना होगा? Mark price जो दे रखा है that is 25k into 1 plus x upon 100. एंड अगर मैं सेलिंग प्राइस की बात करता हूँ तो इट इज़ मार्क प्राइस इंटू 1 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट, यही होता है. सो मार्क प्राइस इज 25k, 1 प्लस एक्स अपॉन 100 एंड डिस्काउंट इज 1 माइनस 2x अपॉन 300, राइट? बिकॉज ये आपके पास परसेंट को फ्रैक्शन कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो फॉर माई कैलकुलेशन आई कैन से एक्स अपॉन 100 को हम पी अज्यूम कर लेते हैं. लेट पी मान लेते हैं इसको. सो एस पी इज एक्चुअली गिवन टू अस 26k and that is 25k, and this is 1 plus p and 1 minus, that is 2 upon 3p, right? So there is no use of k and you have to just think like कि थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन इजी कैसे करना है. सो अगर मैं इसको सॉल्व करता हूँ 26 इक्वल्स टू 25, आई कैन से दिस इज 1 माइनस 2 अपॉन 3p plus p minus 2 upon 3p square. So I can have the quadratic equation, so I'll be solving it. So this is 26 equals to 25 times and this is p minus 2p upon 3, so 1 plus p upon 3 plus 2p square upon 3. So I'll be taking 3 as the LCM, so this is going to be 25 and that is 3 plus p plus 2p square and this is going to be 26. So क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो दिस इज 25 इंटू 2 50p स्क्वायर एंड आई एम राइटिंग 50p स्क्वायर एंड प्लस 75 प्लस 25p प्लस 75 इक्वल्स टू 78. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. So taking the similar terms or all the terms to the same side, so this is going to be 25, 75 minus 78, that is minus 3. So we have a quadratic equation. Now it is easy for me to solve this quadratic equation. P square plus का 25p minus 3 equals to 0. So we have to find the product, that is 150 के फैक्टर जो आपको 25 मिले. हाँ, सो आई कैन से 15 एंड 10 सेटिस्फाई इसको कर सकते हैं. सो 50p स्क्वायर प्लस का 15p, बट इट हैज़ टू बी लाइक माइनस 3 आ रहा है. सो माइनस तो 10 और 15 से नहीं बनेगा. सो व्हाट आर द अदर वेज? I need to check whether we have made some mistake or not, or it is just a problem. So this is, oh, so this will be minus actually. Okay, okay. So here we'll be having minus ka p square. So this is minus. Okay, 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 got it. So this would be minus, right? Minus आएगा यहाँ पे, minus 50 हो जाएगा, right? This is minus. Okay, so this is minus. So I'll be taking out कॉमन लेंगे यहाँ पे, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो p माइनस 2p। हाँ, सो ये तो ठीक है। तो यहीं पे एरर था, तो इसको थोड़ा सा रेक्टिफाई करते हैं। सो इफ आई टेक आउट -50, एक तरफ लिखते हैं इनको वंस अगेन। सो -50p स्क्वायर प्लस 25p minus 3 equals to 0. So taking minus p common, so 50t square minus 25p and plus ka 3 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation and we have to solve the roots. So 50t square minus 25p plus 3 equals to 0. So again same procedure, that is 50 into 3 is actually 150, and we have to split this into 2. So I can get 25, so I can write 15 and 10 and multiply it 150. So we'll be getting 150, right? And if I do minus 15 minus 10, I'll be getting minus 25. So both the conditions are satisfied. So minus 50, that is 50p square minus 10p minus 15p and plus 3 equals to 0. So taking out the 10 common, so 10p common आएगा तो 5p minus 1 minus 3 common लेंगे तो 5p minus 1 equals to 0. So 10p minus 3 and 5p minus 1 equals to 0, right? So from here I can say p equals to 3 over 10 or p equals to 1 over 5, right? So I have assumed that p was actually x upon 100. So this is x upon 100 equals to 3 over 10. So from here x equals to 30, and from the second root, that is p was x upon 100 was equals to 1 by 5. So x is going to be 20. Now question says like that x lies between 25 and 50. It means this is the accepted value, this is the rejected value, because x lies between 25 and 50. So my answer would be x equals to 30. So from here I got to know that x is equals to 30, right? But we have to find 50% of x. So 50% of 30 is actually 15. So 15 was the right answer. Option number D was there. So hopefully you understood that how we can solve the questions. And I can say if you understand the basics of the mathematics, so it would be easy to solve this question. So see you in the next video with one more question. Till then you can connect with the selection classes. Bye, take care.